Good Monday morning, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas weather. Let's talk about what we're going to see with today's weather. Going to take a look at the Monday morning outlook here. Cool down potentially on the way later this week. An increase in cloud cover, as you can tell if you look outside, and 80-degree temperatures are going to stick around for another day or so here across the area. As you can see, highs are going to be in the upper 70s, right there around 79 to 80 degrees across most of the northern counties that we cover: Mena, Hot Springs, Glenwood, DeQueen, Nashville, Sheridan. And then as you go a little further south to around Hope, Camden, Magnolia, Texarkana, Ashdown, and El Dorado, you get up there to around 85, 84 degrees in the mid 80s there for your area today. You are going to see an increase in moisture. We're also going to have to watch for the potential of what we call rolling fog. What that means is with the increase in moisture and the wind speeds that we have, you could have where some areas are seeing fog and some areas aren't, but as that wind basically blows that fog along, that fog's going to come into that area. So you could go from no fog to a lot of fog in a real hurry. And that's mainly going to be across this morning, across southern Arkansas or our coverage area from, I would say, 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. So really right through this main period right now. Now, I don't know who's all seeing fog at this current time. It is cloudy, so that's what satellite is picking up on across most of the area here as well, and we'll show you that here real quickly. As you can see, taking a look at the satellite image here, putting this in motion, you do have an increase in cloud cover, and part of that is because we do have an increase in moisture as well here. And give me one moment here and I can pull this up real quick. And if we look at dew points, you can probably see an increase in moisture as well here as we come over here. Yeah, you can start to see that increase in moisture here, and that's going to continue throughout the day today as well. So then taking a look at overnight lows for tonight here. You're going to see overnight lows in the lower to mid 60s overnight tonight with those mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. Decreasing cloud cover could be possible, so you could see a few peaks of sun throughout the day today as well. Then as we progress into the area-wide 6-day forecast, partly cloudy skies today, partly to mostly cloudy skies, a decrease in cloud cover. Highs in the mid-80s, overnight lows in the lower 60s. Windy conditions do return on Tuesday as we do get a cold front that's going to move through overnight on Tuesday and drop temperatures back down to really, really cool temperatures for back to around average for this year or for this time of year. So you're going to see tomorrow highs are going to be in the lower 80s potentially, lower 80s and upper 70s with overnight lows in the mid 30s there as well. Mostly cloudy skies. Rain chances look like they're going to be to our north. The severe weather chances are a little to our north. So thankfully we may luck out on that, but we'll watch it closely and keep you updated. On Wednesday, highs are going to be in the mid 60s. Overnight lows in the lower 30s with windy conditions. You're talking 20 to 35 mile per hour winds, wind gusts, and maybe even 40 mile per hour wind gusts with 15 to 25 mile per hour sustained wind speeds there across those 2 days as well. Then as we head into Thursday, we could get a small system that moves through that could produce some chances of rain. It's small rain chances, 20 to 40%. Really, that 40% is overnight on Thursday with mostly cloudy skies. Highs in the mid 50s and overnight lows in the upper, lower to upper 30s there as well. So we'll continue to watch that closely. Then sunny to mostly sunny skies do return as we head into this weekend. We start to warm up some with highs in the mid 60s and overnight lows in the lower 40s. On Saturday, highs are going to be in the mid 70s and overnight lows in the lower 50s. There on Thursday, once again, that low's right there at 33, but that's up there around Mena. The rest of the area is going to be in the upper mid 30s, so we're not going to be close to freezing across most of the area there as well. But I do want to show you real quickly once again here. We're going to take a quick look at the future temperature guidance. What models are wanting to show temperatures or what potential temperatures could be like here as we head into overnight on overnight on what do you call it there? Overnight on Tuesday. There once again. So let's start this off at 10 p.m. Taking a look here, you can see 10 p.m. Tuesday night. This model's got us mostly sitting in the 70s and 60s, potentially there as we progress into the overnight hours. Though you're going to watch this and see a cold front is going to come through here and drop temperatures down into really by the time you wake up, lower 40s in some areas are still right there around 68, 67 degrees. And that's going to progress through the early morning hours there as well. And this is the furthest this model goes, but you can get the idea. Temperatures in the 30s and temperatures potentially in the 60s. So many of us are going to drop from the 60s to the 30s, potentially 30s and 40s very quickly overnight Tuesday or Tuesday night and Wednesday morning there as well. So we'll watch that closely, and we'll continue to keep you updated on that. Then as we're going to take a big thank you to our sponsors as always. Big thanks to Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, and Fort Smith Therapy for all they do to help us get this information to you guys. We're gonna what the plan is. We're gonna continue to do these morning outlooks here on YouTube with the graphics, worded forecast over on Facebook, and we're gonna have some of the evening forecast up on YouTube and Facebook as well. We're gonna do some recorded forecasts there as well with the graphics, like always. So once again, big thank you to everybody that trust us with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather. Big thanks to our sponsors for helping us get this information to you guys. Have a nice day. We'll continue to keep you updated right here at your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.